All right, let's take a look at some more functions of the Precision Trolling Data app, especially for the new version 5.0. This app is available on both the iOS App Store, Apple App Store, or the Google Play Store for Android. The first thing I did want to mention is whenever you come into the app, it's real important that you make sure that you do have the current version of the app, especially if you're going to be downloading some lures. Up at the top, you can see v5.0.115. So we're at version 5.0. The 115 is a modification of the version. We're going to try and post on our Facebook page whenever we put a new version out there. But right now, v5.0.115 is the current one to use. Now, I'm going to go into the store function here and show you some of the things there. The thing to remember about the store function is, first of all, you need to have the internet running. So you have to have that available to your phone. If you actually have downloaded the lures, you do not need internet out on the water. So this is only when you go into the store and try and upgrade or purchase new lures that you need the internet for the app. All right, the first thing I wanted to show you on here is something new that we have now, and that is the Crappie subscription up at the top. You can see it's a yearly subscription. It costs $12.99. If you press on that Crappie subscription line, it will come up with a screen here where down at the bottom, it will list all of the lures that you get under that subscription. Right now, there's about 60 lures under here. These are lures that we've determined that the crappie anglers might use from all of the lures that we have on the app. Right now, it's about 60 lures that are out there. If we test more lures that are crappie type lures, for example, some of the new small hit sticks that'll be coming out from Berkley, once they're tested, those will show up under here. If we test any of these lures under here with new line types or with new weights or something like that, those would also show up, those updates, as you have a valid yearly subscription. So you'll get all the updates and all the new lures for the entire year that you have the subscription. Now, when you purchase this subscription, one thing to remember is that Precision Trolling doesn't keep track of the subscription. This is all done by the App Store or by the Google Play Store. That's why there's that little notice up at the top of the screen here that talks about it. Also, once you go to buy it, which you do by hitting the button down in the lower right, once you go to buy it, it's actually going to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store. And again, it's going to tell you some things on here that, if you need to cancel this, you need to go to those different places to cancel it. You don't cancel this on the Precision Trolling Data app. So here you would just simply double click and to purchase this. I'm not going to purchase it because I get the lifetime membership, but this is actually how you would purchase that subscription. So let me hit cancel here to go back. You'll notice also that we have a bunch of packages besides the lifetime membership. We have different versions. Some people don't want to spend quite as much money. For example, if you pick version 2 here, you still get a lot of lures, but it's not for quite as much money. The thing to remember about it is that if you pick a version, you're only going to get the lures that are on that version. It's kind of a closed version. Only the lifetime membership will actually be updated with the newest lures as we test them. You can also see that besides packages, we do sell the individual lures if you just want to buy a few lures or you would just want to try some stuff out. So that is the store upgrade. One thing I will also remind you on the store here is that if you feel like you don't have all of your lures, like you purchased some but they don't seem to be showing up, make sure you're on that correct version. Right now it's version 5.0.115. Make sure you're on that correct version and then go down to the bottom left here and it says restore. If you hit restore, it's going to go out and relook at all of your purchases, make sure everything is downloaded, and it should be good to go. So we've got lots of options for ways for you to purchase the lure data. I hope it gets your lures down in the right depth and you catch lots of fish.